everybody? It's Skinny Fats here with my little buddy Machamp, right?
Hello.
Say hello. All right, and today we're opening a Snorlax GX box. What you got for Christmas, right?
Mm-hmm.
All right, let's get into it.
Wait, let me open it.
All right, let's just open it really quick. Wow, you just get right to it. How about we just open it this way from the side and slide it out? Hold on.
Ah, no, I made it.
All right, careful. All right, so let's pop this off the top.
Wait, stop, wait.
No, wait, this is the bottom part. There you go. All right,
Okay.
be careful. Okay, let's get the...
Whoa, they're stacked on each other.
Yeah. Let's get the cards out. You gotta pop them out really quick. Ooh.
Alright, I get this one.
All right, you gotta pop it out like this. There you go. There you go. I'm gonna put that to the side. Throw that to the side. All right. All right. Now let's show them the camera. This is the giant promo card it comes with, and this is the normal size over here.
2,
It's Snorlax GX.
3. Daddy, guess what's crazy?
What?
This is under here.
Oh, really?
Under here,
Can I
yeah.
put that to the side? And this is actually a reprint. It's a reprint of the original Snorlax Jungle holofoil card. All right, now let's show them the booster packs that it comes with.
Okay.
All right, show the camera what the booster packs it comes with.
Oh, that's legendary.
Oh, yeah. Show the camera. That is a...
So we got energy,
No, Evolutions.
evolutions,
Another Evolutions. A Breakthrough. And Fates Collide. All right.
Fates Collide.
Which one do you want to open first?
Let's do breakthrough.
Breakthrough? Okay. Let's open it. Oh, nice. Good job. All right, make sure the camera can see the... All right, put the card to the side.
There you go.
What's the card trick for Breakthrough? Do you know?
1, 2, 3.
Maybe 3 or 4? You're trying to take a peek?
There. So we got
What does that say? Dendon. I don't know how to say that. A Super Rod Trainer card. Ursa Ring. Vanillite. Panpour. Ralts. Zorua. A Meowth. Reverse hollow of a Hoodlum Spirit Link trainer card.
and the rare and the hollow rare
It
is
is not a hollow rare. It is just a regular rare Noivern.
that's not bad. So put
That's
it.
not bad. Yeah, we'll put it to the side. Make sure it's the rare. Yeah, it is the rare. Is a Noivern. So that was 4 or 3 you did.
It was fine.
It was 3 or 4. All right, next one is Evolutions. Show the cameras. Okay, you got it ready? All right.
So there is the top,
All right, make sure the camera can see all the cards. How many is Evolutions?
and it's 1, 2, 3.
Is it 3 or 4?
What's 3?
Are you sure? Okay. Super Potion. Double Colorless Energy. Professor Oak's Hint. Magnemite.
My energy, Growlithe, Macha,
Voltorb. Reverse Hollow with Diglett. And the rare is an Electro. All right. All right, next one. It's another.
It's
Evolutions
another
pack.
evolution.
You gotta, come on, you gotta show the camera that it's an evolution, dude. There you go.
No, please don't.
Alrighty.
Put that to the side.
Okay.
1, 2, 3,
3 at the front.
4.
I think it was 3, right? Oh, you already showed it. It's 3.
It's
It
4.
was 3. No, because that's the rare right there is Dugong.
So
Dugong is the rare.
Dugong,
Trainer card.
Trainer,
Kakuna.
Kakuna,
You can't see what that is because you're going too fast. That is a Slowbro Spirit Link. Caterpie. Drowsy. Magikarp.
Energy,
Electabuzz. That's Electabuzz. Rattata. And a reverse hollow of a Revive Trainer card. Okay.
So these two are the rares.
This one is the rare, the Dugong. Okay. Last one is
Then
is Fates Collide.
that is a legendary Pokemon. Let's see if we can get it.
Nice. Getting good at opening these, man. Ooh, put that card to the side. What color
How many
is
is this?
I don't know what Fate's Collide is.
I think 4. 1, 2, 3.
Wait, I don't think.
4.
Oh, what? Well, there's the reverse hollow.
The first
The reverse hollow is a. I didn't see what it's called. You gotta slow it down so I can read it. Reunculus. And Almastar is the rare. This was the rare right here.
Okay.
Almastar is the rare. It's a rare non-hollow. A Mega Catcher.
A Brixen. N.
A trainer card. N. What does that say? Cottony. Burmy. Larvitar. Meowth.
And.
Well, there you already got the rare. The rare was Nanotapetic, and the rare was Almastar. Okay. So, didn't get really that much good hits from this pack, but we did get the Snorlax.
Yep.
And the Snorlax, the reprint, and the Snorlax GX card. So, you want to do the outro? No? Okay.
So we're gonna end this video. Peace out. Goodbye.
Bye, guys. Thanks for watching.